What's up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the electric dirt bike. We're at the skate park. This thing is about to be crazy. We got huge jumps, so hopefully the electric dirt bike handles it. But let's get into this video. All right, gang, we're gonna hit the box jump real quick. Oh crap! Homie just went down over here. You good, bro? You good? They are really loose.
Yo, that's electric. How did I? Yo, MotoBroo, bro. That's snap.
That was good, bro. Say what? Yeah. That's good, huh?
Dude, the bike's sick. I didn't even notice it.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Like, wait, that's not a BMX bike?
Yeah. It's just a mountain bike with a battery, pretty much.
Basically, low key.
Bank.
Say what?
Wheelie all the way up the bank.
Wheelie all the way up the bank?
You could do that.
Wait, you think I got it?
Yeah.
What is my percentage? 85, 95?
I would say 100.
100%? Alright, I'm going for it then. Yeah, that was fire, dude. We did it, MB gang. We did it. Thanks for the Modi right there, bro.
Yeah.
That was sick. E-bike. Holy sh! I didn't expect that big of a drop. Got the beautiful e-bike chilling here, looking a little dirty to be honest. Holy sh! You get a little dirty. What do you think of this bike? Would you buy one?
I think I would buy one. How much can I buy it for? This one.
Yeah, how much did it cost? I was just about to ask.
They're a little bit pricey, I ain't gonna
like
lie.
2 grand?
I wish they were 2 grand.
Oh, you gotta pay to play.
I'll take it right now.
You gotta pay to play, bro.
I have 4 grand in my pocket right now. I'll pay you.
Bro, feel it.
Borrow it.
Feel it real quick. You can sit on it. It's definitely still like heavy.
Definitely, yeah.
But it's like, compared to a dirt bike, it's a lot lighter.
Storage? No.
The battery.
Okay.
So the battery's right here.
Is there any storage?
No storage.
Backpack.
Yeah, right here, bro. This is storage right here on the front.
Hey, no custom storage.
Yeah, of course.
Aftermarket.
Aftermarket. Is what?
Is that a horn? No.
We case on that? No? Let's go. Oh, that was close, that was close. Let's go, dude. We're literally on a BMX bike. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes when I land, I hear weird noises from the bike and I'm like, what's going on? So gang, as you see, we're at this beautiful skate park. The electric bike is magnificent, bro. I have no complaints with it. Been hitting some pretty decent sized jumps and nothing's gone wrong with it yet. Oh, that was the first. A little wheel ski into the drop-in. Oh Lord. Get it, bro. We got a little scooter homie coming in hot. About to double whip out of here. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's what we talking about, bro. Bring it in.
That's the first time ever.
That was your first time landing it? Shee! Alright, gang, I'm gonna hit one little section in this bowl and we're gonna try to jump out over there. So we're gonna freaking loop around, go all the way through, and then wish me luck. Alright, let's see if we got this. Oh. You see how fast it be curving? Yo, we had a little table. Every time I bring the e-bike to a skate park, I'm like, I forget how much freaking fun it is, dude. Like, you don't gotta pedal. It's like a dirt bike, but way lighter. It's just so sick. Fuck, I'm just gonna hit some wheel skis. No way. No way we just caught that. Huh? I want to do suicide, but I'm scared. Yo, shout out my boy Russell for taking that thumbnail photo. You got Instagram or something?
Oh, hell yeah. Russell Sterlace with the underscore at the end.
Y'all know what to do. Let's go. It's a hot day today, but this is my second time bringing the electric bike to a skate park. This skate park is has easier jumps than the last one I went to for the e-bike, because the last one was mainly just vert. So it's been fun just catching some air. Reminds me of being on my BMX bike. A little air out. Yeah, it's crazy because this bike, it almost feels like a BMX bike. It's a little different, a little more heavy, but it's so similar. I mean, gang, bro, look at this park. It's free. It's just perfect, bro. Like, I wish I had a park like this growing up, close to my house. See if we can get a little up and down fakie. I don't know if this will work. Oh, it sort of does work. All right, little fakie. That's the best we'll get right now. Alrighty, I'm out of here.
All right, nice seeing you.
Later, guys. Y'all be
What's your
easy.
name?
Lars.
Lars?
Lars, aka MotoBroo. Later. Thank you.
Are you gonna post the?
Yeah, watch the videos. It's gonna be up tomorrow or Monday.
Subscribe on 10 accounts.
Like on 10 accounts too. And comment. Don't forget to comment. Can I just have a water, please? You guys AC went out? Jeez.
It's not the first time it's happened either.
That's rough.
About in the middle of the summer it went out too.
Damn.
And it was terrible.
Oh, I bet.